Hi foodies and drinkers, we're back with another video. 2020 is over. We're now looking into 2021 and it's about to be lit. Okay, lit. Nothing but peace, blessing, and wealth, all that. Alright? So today we got a new drink that we're going to set up with champagne and ginger ale. Alright? Get your celebration glasses ready because we about to get into it. Alright, so if you have a lot of people, this recipe can serve up to 14 glasses, but today we're only going to do one. If you want to do 14 glasses, you will get the whole bottle of champagne, the whole bottle of ginger ale, so about 2 liters. This is about 750 milliliters of champagne, and you will need a bunch of strawberries. We'll mix them all together. But today we're going to show you how to make one drink. And then you can scale the recipe how you need to. So let's crack open Mr. Andre.
This has its own magic.
And we call this drink strawberry punch.
I used to be in love with a babe. I never had the guts to say. I'm feeling like somebody gon' need to know. Yeah, somebody gon' need to know. Yeah, somebody gon' need to know. Yeah, somebody gon' need.
So we're going to take 2 ounces of champagne. We have our little measuring cup over here. 2 fluid ounces.
Big money, big bank, no loose change. Small circle, small friends, no new names. I don't really fuck with niggas cause they too strange. But I tie they bitches down like a shoestring. I never had the guts to say. I used to be in love with a babe. I never had the guts to say. I'm feeling like somebody gon' need to know. Yeah, somebody gon' need to know.
And we're going to take 5 ounces of Canada Dry.
Somebody gon' need to know.
Ginger ale. I'm so glad 2020 is over. Hopefully all this pandemic stuff will be over soon. Maybe I'm wishful thinking, but 2020 was a rough year. So I'm looking forward to just new beginnings, new starts, new everything. So when you make this in a big, so when you make this for 14 people, make the whole serving size for 14 glasses, you want to put this in a big container. And you also want to do the ginger ale first, then the you want to do the strawberries, the ginger ale, then the champagne. I went backwards because there's only one glass, so it really didn't matter. But as you can see, like, the strawberries aren't sinking down to the bottom as they should be. So, you know, it is what it is. But this is our final result. Quick, easy, something to get you in the spirit, celebrating life, celebrating anything. Celebrate waking up in the morning. So, we're going to taste test. This is really good. And it has ginger ale, so it's easy on the stomach. You know, some people, when they drink, their stomach starts to hurt. That's what the ginger ale is for. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave a comment below if you tried it. Thank you for tuning in, and come back next time for Chefboyar-Cee.